Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are really going to be focusing on integers and really understanding the size of them and how do we find them on a number line. So to start off, I'm just going to be drawing a number line here. Now with our normal number lines, we normally start off with having a 0. So I'll put 0 right here. And we are used to going higher, counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is talking about that when we go to the right, our number is always increasing. So it's when we are going to the left and below 0, I just want you to think about it. It's like you've got no money in your pocket, so you have to ask your mum for money. You are borrowing money that you'll have to pay back. So you owe someone money, you're in debt. So if I borrow $1, I've got negative $1 because I owe $1. If I borrow $2, I've got negative $2 because I've borrowed $2. And that keeps on going on. So if I'm on negative 8, it means that I have borrowed $8, so I owe $8. So that's why it's negative 8. So if I'm thinking about that, that just means that if I'm looking at negative 5 compared to negative 2, well, I've got less money at negative 5 because I owe more money. So I've got less money at negative 5 than I do at negative 2. So if I'm comparing those two numbers, negative 5 and negative 2, I can say that negative 5 is smaller, so the point is pointing to the smallest number, and as it's opened up, that open part is pointing to the biggest number. So negative 2 is bigger than 5. I'm going to put another question up here. Negative 1 and negative 6. You have a think about what is bigger and what sign I will put there. Well, I know that negative 6 is smaller than negative 1 because I'm more in debt and it's more on the left-hand side. So I know that I'll be using this sign because it's pointing to the smallest number. Last one I'm going to do will be 4 and negative 4. I just want you to think about it for a minute. I've got 4 over here and I've got negative 4 here. So 4 just means I've got $4 in my pocket. Negative 4, it means I owe someone $4. So that shows me that negative 4 is less than 4. Really hope that helps you understand integers, how to locate them on a number line, and it's really just about labeling it and also thinking about what is bigger and what is smaller.